So, like, to understand a little bit more about your journey and your journey with Byooooob, we are going to play this game. Whether it's challenges or your biggest achievements, the idea is you give us 3 statements, from which 2 are true and 1's a lie, and then we have to guess which one is the lie.
Okay, so the first sentence, this first statement would be, went on a shoot with Rohit Sharma, having no idea who Rohit Sharma is and what Mumbai Indians even was. Like, I think this was before 2017. So I had no idea who Rohit Sharma was. He walks in, we do a shoot. I was completely not fanboying because I have no context, but seeing others fanboying over this guy, like, kuch to hai. So that's one situation. Going to a shoot with Rohit Sharma, having no idea who he is. The other is won an award for writing copy for Adidas sneakers, NMD. I think that was a line. The third would be, I have never really understood how 3D animation works. So yeah.
I'm going to go with number 3, but what's your thought as the lie?
I'm going to go with number 3 as well. That's a lie.
Yeah.
You know exactly how it works.
Yeah. But yeah, I think the lie could have been better. I think the first one, Rohit Sharma, could have been a lie, right? Like, that would have been a more interesting lie. But I knew Rohit Sharma, but I genuinely didn't do it.
Yeah, that might be a little more embarrassing.
Yeah,
but
yeah. I had to Google KL Rahul, Rohit Sharma, and Hardik Pandya. I think Adidas had this hitman, this campaign with 3 of them. So Rohit was the hitman and blah blah blah. I'm like, ye kaun hai? Because I am not a cricket watcher at all. The last game I watched was when Saurav Ganguly was probably playing.
Oh my god.
Zakir Khan and all that. Zakir Khan nahi, kaun tha? Zahir Khan.
Yeah,
see, Zakir the comedian.
I end up just to. So I'm not at all a football watcher. And in football culture, when I was in London, I used to feel FOMO so much.
Yeah.
But now even here you feel FOMO, right? Like everyone's always talking football. Ye match mein ye ho raha hai. And this team is playing this team. Like, I have no clue who these people are, but I'm just going to keep looking it up just so that I can, in some way, shape or form, participate in this conversation.
These IPL campaigns, like this thing, this season, it's going on. I'm like, everyone wants the money, but I have zero interest in cricket, and like and because you need insights, right? Like, to crack great, memorable campaigns, you need insights. True. So I'm like, I'm not that person, but let's just work with people. And that's why Byooooob sort of lets me do that. Like, we can work with people who's a cricket lover and then do it. Like, why?
Your second thing, you said you won an award for an Adidas campaign. What was that campaign?
So this was, the concept around the campaign was to celebrate Rust. I think NMD was the line, like Nomad, etc. if I'm not mistaken, because there were 2-3 campaigns that we did. All of the sneaker lines were like 3 letters, EQT, NMD. So I'm forgetting which one this was. So I wrote copy and the script for an ad film, and we had to shoot that ad film. This was with Animal in Delhi. So we shot it with an iPhone on the terrace. Very grunge, very like handmade sort of feel. I had won sort of some Karl Manzo award, which is like a very reputable sort of German magazine or a portal that gives out these. So seeing my name out there with others, they're like, crazy, dude. Like, nice. It was fun. It was one of those projects where you actually, like staying up late and doing that agency stuff. When you get that fruition of that work, like, yeah, this was fun and it turned out great. So that was one of those projects. So yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.